Once upon a time, in a little classroom, there lived a pencil and an eraser inside a small pencil case. They had been together for a long time, but they were very different from each other. The pencil was long and sharp, always eager to write new stories and draw beautiful pictures. It was proud of how smoothly it could write and how creative it could be. The eraser, on the other hand, was small and soft. It didn't feel as important as the pencil because all it did was clean up the pencil's mistakes. One day, the pencil was scribbling away on a fresh piece of paper, drawing a beautiful garden with colorful flowers and tall trees. But then it made a mistake. "Oh no," said the pencil. "I drew the tree too close to the flower. Now it looks messy." The eraser, hearing this, quickly spoke up. "Don't worry, pencil, I can fix it." The eraser hopped over to the drawing and gently erased the mistake. The pencil started over, and this time the tree and the flower looked perfect together. The pencil smiled and said, "Thanks, eraser. You saved my picture." As time went on, the pencil made more drawings, wrote more stories, and sometimes made more mistakes, and each time the eraser would come and clean them up. One day, the pencil noticed something. The eraser was getting smaller and smaller. Every time it helped fix a mistake, a little piece of the eraser disappeared. The pencil felt sad. "Eraser," the pencil said quietly, "you're getting smaller because of me. Every time I make a mistake, you lose a little bit of yourself. I'm so sorry." The eraser smiled kindly. "That's true, but I don't mind at all. It's my job to help you, and I'm happy to do it. Mistakes are a part of life, pencil, and I'm here to help you fix them. As long as I can make things better for you, I'm happy, even if it means I become smaller." The pencil thought for a moment and then said, "But you're important too, eraser. Without you, I wouldn't be able to fix my mistakes. We're a team, and I'll try to be more careful from now on so you won't have to work so hard." From that day on, the pencil and the eraser worked together, helping each other and learning that everyone has a role to play, no matter how big or small. The pencil tried its best not to make too many mistakes, but whenever it did, the eraser was always there, ready to help. And so the pencil and the eraser stayed best friends forever, understanding that it's okay to make mistakes, as long as we have someone to help us fix them, and we're always there for each other.